Do you want a beautiful lawn this winter that's full of color? Winter doesn't have to be drab and gray. When you choose the right plants, there's plenty of cool season selections for Louisiana. And you don't have to have a large yard in order to enjoy them. These plants grow well in large containers or in hanging baskets. So some selections that we can use for cool season is our red boar kale. Now these all in front of me just so happen to be Louisiana super plants that just do really well in Louisiana. Again, we have red boar kale here. This is an edible selection. We have this beautiful swan columbine, just this gorgeous, delicate white flower. This is foxglove. Look at these large, luscious, dark greens, and we'll have some beautiful blooms in the springtime. We've paired it with the sorbet series of violas that come in so many different patterns and beautiful colors. We have the Jolt Dianthus, that is the fall 2019 selection in Louisiana super plant, and then the never failing bubblegum supertunia that just performs and performs well into the summer, maybe all year. Don't forget about violas and alyssum. Look at this gorgeous snapdragon and some more dianthus varieties. So wintertime can be an enjoyable, gorgeous time, and you don't have to have a lot of space to do it. Just get out there and grow it. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.